All right, it's from Danny Staton.
Wow. Look
Whoa.
at the stuff he sent you.
What do you think?
Oh, wow.
What is it?
Okay, this looks really enticing, Danny.
Wow.
Jeez.
Look at all the stuff he sent us.
What is it?
All
Wow.
kinds of action figures and WWE.
Wow.
Look at this.
Okay, this
Holy schmolies. Look at this.
is Stone Cold. Wow. Wow, Danny, this is
Danny.
amazing.
Damn, look at all the stuff he sent us.
Where'd you find all this stuff? This is incredible.
Oh my
Look.
God.
Wow. Look at this one. I want to take this one home with me.
You want that one?
Look.
Who is that?
Sasha Banks. Okay.
Yum, yum.
Yeah.
Good, you
All
could
right.
have her.
You want her, Poppy?
Good.
I want her.
Good, you could have her.
I don't know. Not sure who this is, but okay.
Look at this guy.
Who is that?
Yeah, Roddy Piper. Look at
Yeah, I
that.
know
Jeez.
I don't like these stupid things.
that. Rodney Piper.
Well, that's some figure.
Wow, look at this.
What's that? Look at that. Wow.
Who is that?
Wood.
It's wood.
Smells good. Wow.
That's something.
That is something. Look at this stuff. It hasn't been opened.
Yeah, that's an old figure. WrestleMania 2000. Jeez.
What does he do? Just try me.
Now, what is this? Holy schmoly.
Oh, look at that Ric Flair.
Look at this, Jonathan. Matthew, look. Cards.
Wow.
Look at this.
Cards too?
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
The Steiner brothers when they were young.
Those look great.
These are some old pictures here. Look how young Sting was.
Wow.
Sting?
Oh, my goodness.
Where'd he get
The
all
Hart
this stuff?
Foundation. Owen Hart.
Wow.
Bret Hart.
Hacksaw. Look how young.
Wow.
Paul Roma. The Ultimate Warrior. Tito Santana. They're all, look at these. Freddie Blassie. These are
Wow.
all collectors.
Wow. This is incredible. What did we get all these? Jeez.
I don't know.
Brutus the Barber. Beefsteak. Sherry.
Wow. Look at
Half
this.
these guys are dead. Wow, Dusty Rhodes.
Oh,
The
Danny.
Bushwhackers. The Brooklyn Brawler.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Jesse the Body Ventura. Look how young he was.
yeah, I see. Yeah.
The Rockers. And who else with Dusty Rhodes? Oh my goodness, this is just the beginning. Dino Bravo, he got killed. Right?
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he was
He got
assassinated.
shot.
Wow.
Mr. Perfect, he's gone. Miss
Wow.
Hyatt,
Look at those cards.
Where'd he get all of them?
I
their
don't know.
collections. Jake the Snake, Sting, Ric Flair,
Jeez.
Lex Luger.
Brian Pillman.
Brian Tillman's gone.
Your Tillman's gone.
Wow, this is a
Sid Vicious,
classic.
Tommy Rich, Anderson.
Of Andre the Giant.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh look, I remember these two. I forgot their names, but I remember her.
Jacqueline.
Wow.
I don't remember.
Wow. Wow, these are like mint condition too.
These are unbelievable, man.
Wow. Very nice.
These are beautiful. Oh my God.
Wow.
He's got everybody here.
Look
He's
at
got everybody here.
China.
China looks fantastic.
Wow.
Yeah, she looked good when she was younger.
China's with, what's his name?
Oh, Triple H. Yeah.
Yeah, poor woman.
Wow. That's Storm, that's right. Scott Norton.
Wow.
Scott Steiner. Miss Elizabeth, look how young she was.
Yeah.
Spice,
Wow.
and Kimberly.
Jeez, these are some photos.
Oh man, this is unbelievable. Hulk Hogan, Kevin Nash, Scott Hall. God.
Yeah, these are something. Wow.
Eddie Guerrero.
Who's that?
That's Ric Flair's brother.
Oh, David Flair? No, that's his. Yeah, his son passed away.
He passed away, didn't he?
Yeah, he
His
did.
son?
Yeah.
Wow.
Randy Savage.
There's Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. Mick Jagger, look how young he was.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. These are some rock and rollers.
Got Ozzy.
That's Ozzy, look how young he was. All Ozzy.
Sylvester Stallone.
Sylvester Stallone when he was a young kid. Was in, look.
Wow.
There's a pay stub.
He sent you all the pay stubs.
Ticket
look at this.
stickers.
Look at that.
Ticket stubs. Look at that.
Wow.
Unbelievable. These are pictures, some of these.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's nasty.
Yeah, he was.
Look at this. Wow.
Oh, the
This is
Undertaker.
really cool. Look at that.
Wow, the Undertaker. Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's really cool. What's this? Oh, Ric Flair.
Ric Flair. Wow.
Look at that. Look how young he was. Article on Ric Flair, right?
Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that, Ric Flair.
Wow.
Signed it.
Wow, Danny, you
He didn't sign
you
it.
went overboard with these. Thank you.
Yeah, he did.
Thank you, Danny.
Wow.
Wow.
All I can say is wow. He really went unbelievable.
Did.
Jeez.
Wow.
Thank you, Danny Staton. I'm gonna leave your link in the description, so everyone can check you out. And this is amazing. You sending me all these prizes here.
All these things are unbelievable.
Jeez.